Okay guys, today I'm going to be changing these lug nuts and I'm going to show you how you can do this on any car. And you don't have to lift the car. Hey guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss out on any of my new videos. I got a lot of stuff coming in Mazda, so stay tuned and hit the subscribe button. Let's get on with the video now. So it doesn't matter if you have stock lug nuts or aftermarket lug nuts. You don't have to take off the wheels or lift the car to change the lug nuts. You can change them one at a time, and all the tools that require this. Of course, you want power tools, but depending on the type of lug nuts you buy, you may want to use only hand tools instead of power tools. So why I'm changing my custom lug nuts? Well, they're kind of wearing out and I'm missing a spike. I don't want to look like a dummy in a car show with a missing spike, so I'm gonna end up taking off all these lug nuts one at a time and replacing them one at a time. So let's get on with the video. First thing first, let's remove all the spikes. It makes it a lot easier if you remove all the spikes first. Okay guys, so now all you need is this tool. I'm going to show you, you just got to remove them one at a time. And it doesn't require, see, it just removes. It does not require you to lift the car. So you remove one lug nut and replace it with the other. First, I'm going to show you what kind of lug nuts we bought. Look on here. These are new lug nuts. They're on Amazon. So make sure you know your lug nut size per car. Here's the spikes we're going to put on later. And here's the lug nut. So, careful. These are on aluminum, so you don't want to bend these. You just want them tight, but you don't want to bend them. So, stick it back in. And then you grab your tool and you tighten it up. You might want to put your car on parking brakes, because it might be what do you call moving a lot. But let's continue with the video. Okay guys, so here's one thing you do after you do all that. First, I'm going to show you how I installed them and took them off. So I did from across. So if I started here, take off the oil and put the new one, and then I do this, 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 and this. That's how you want to do it. Now, the last step is on each wheel. Make sure they're torqued down, and if you don't have something that torques down, all you want to do is this right here. And you can do it in a circular motion. Okay guys, so after you do all that, if you want, you can drive a little bit and see if they're all torqued down. But now, next step of the video is this right here. Spikes. If your lug nuts came with spikes, I'll show you how to install spikes. If not, you can end the video, I showed you everything. But here's the spikes. You can install one. Gotta make sure they're fully installed and all the way in good, because if they're not, they could easily come off and be left in the road. There you have it guys, that's the install. Quick question guys, do you prefer my black tip ones over the blue tip ones? Let me know in the comments below. Just let me know. Not canceled. Alright, I'm Eddie V. 2064
Turn right.
This particular package, driving attempt on the 6 Series.